if you want to look like the smartest person in your house, let me show you a little trick and something so simple that you can do to look like the man. All right, watch this. So here we have an AC unit, and there's a problem with it. So we're going to start by removing this to view all the power and controls for the AC. And when we look down here, look down. First thing what I notice is this right here, this capacitor. See how it's bulged? That's probably the best thing you want to see when working on this faulty unit, because that tells you that's bad, and we know we have to change that part first. So let's do that right now. So first we're going to come over here, disconnect the power, boom, pull it out, and you can just put it upside down. It doesn't do anything, or you can just leave it out. So now that we have the power off, let's come over here, grab this drill, take out this screw. Now that that screw's out, come over here, and you can either pull these out with your hand, or I'll just use these because that way I don't accidentally pull the wire. One at a time. And you do want to remember, take note of where these are, where which ones they attach to. So obviously we know brown on this one, yellow on these three, and then red and purple on these four. So we'll keep note of that just to make it simple, like easy swap, so you don't have to think about it too much. Okay, so take one out, and then we take the final one out. All right, so now that they're all out, I'm wearing gloves because if you touch this, you'll get shocked. It happens a lot, and I laugh every time I would see somebody get shocked because it's funny. It's not a lot of power, but it's enough to make you jump. All right, so what you can do to get rid of that excess power is just take a screwdriver or something metal, and touch two sides, and that'll take out the charge, and then you can touch it with your bare hands, no big deal. Watch. Ah! No, I'm good. So anyways, so that's that bad one. And, we look right here on it, and we got to replace it with the same one or a little bit bigger, but we'll do the same one. Right here, if you notice, it says 40 UF and then 5 UF. You want to look at those and get matching numbers. You don't have to know what they mean, just know you want to get matching, or that 40 can be 45, 50. It can be higher, but never lower, like 35. Anyways, luckily I have one that is 40, the exact same one. Wow, what are the odds? It's almost like I knew. Right here, 40, and then plus or minus 5. So now let's plug this one in. And this one is going to be, it's not the same size exactly, but that's fine. The strap, we can just adjust it, no big deal. So let's put it back in. Actually, let's hook it up. So we remember the 2 gets the brown, the 1 gets the 3 gets the yellow, and then the 4 gets the red and the purple. So we hook these up, wham bam, and then we just drill it back in. And sure enough, it works perfectly fine. Make sure it's relatively snug, and then drill it in. So now that it's on there, we can flip this back to on. Oops. I can put this back. Anyway, flip this back to on, close that, and let's go turn on the unit and see if it works. Power is being put to it. It's being called for air as we speak, any second now. Boom, right there. It's that simple. Look how easy that was. How long did that take? I don't know, maybe like 5 minutes, 2 minutes. So that's an easy way for you to look extremely smart, even though you don't have to be. And just one more look at the capacitor. Look how bulged that is. Anyways,